Purchasing and accessing MOBIUS in BrightSpace. Open your BrightSpace course and click Content on the top menu. Locate a link to purchase your MOBIUS license. You will be redirected to the Shop at Neat website. Add the MOBIUS license to your cart, then click the shopping bag icon at the top of the page to begin the checkout process. Sign in with your Neat account. Enter your billing information. On the Shipping Options page, choose Online Delivery. Complete the rest of the checkout and payment process. Within 10 minutes of completing your order, you will receive an email from the bookstore with your MOBIUS access code. Return to your BrightSpace course and go back to Content. Locate and click on a link to your MOBIUS course page. If this is your first time accessing MOBIUS, you will be asked to read and agree to the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Click Redeem Code. Copy and paste the access code from the email you received. Click Redeem Code. You now have access to MOBIUS.